Welcome back to Trendz TV, the place where the future of cars meets real-world excitement. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most talked about electric cars on the planet, the 2026 Tesla Model 3. This car isn't just important for Tesla, it's important for the entire automotive industry. The Model 3 has already changed how people look at electric cars, and now, for 2026, Tesla is taking everything that worked and making it smarter, cleaner, and more refined. This is not a radical redesign, but it's a very intentional evolution. With upgraded technology, improved comfort, better efficiency, and sharper performance, the 2026 Model 3 is designed to stay ahead of the competition. Whether you are an EV enthusiast, a first-time electric buyer, or someone simply curious about the future of mobility, this review is one you should definitely watch till the end. Exterior. From the very first glance at the front, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 feels more confident and futuristic. Tesla has stayed loyal to its minimalist approach, but every surface now feels more purposeful. The front nose is smoother and lower, helping air flow more efficiently over the car, which directly improves range and stability. The headlights are noticeably slimmer and sharper, giving the Model 3 a more aggressive expression. These aren't just for looks, as the upgraded LED matrix technology adapts automatically to traffic and road conditions, improving visibility while reducing glare for other drivers. The front bumper has been subtly reshaped with cleaner lines and better airflow channels, helping reduce drag at higher speeds. There's no traditional grille, of course, just a clean, modern face that instantly tells you this is an electric car built for the future. As you move along the side, the 2026 Model 3 really shows how well Tesla understands aerodynamics. The roof line flows smoothly from front to back, creating a coupe-like silhouette that looks sporty without sacrificing interior space. Even taller passengers will find plenty of headroom inside. Tesla's newly designed aerodynamic wheels play a big role here, not only enhancing the car's visual appeal but also helping squeeze out extra miles of driving range. The flush door handles remain a signature feature, contributing to the car's incredibly low drag coefficient. Refined character lines along the doors add a touch of elegance, making the Model 3 feel more premium than earlier versions. Small changes to the mirrors and window trim help reduce wind noise, which becomes very noticeable during highway cruising, making long drives more relaxing. At the rear, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 looks cleaner, wider, and more mature. The redesigned taillights feature a sharper LED pattern that instantly stands out, especially at night. The rear bumper is smoother and more refined, reducing visual clutter and improving airflow behind the car. Tesla has also improved trunk usability with better sealing and a wider opening, making it easier to load luggage or groceries. The glass roof continues seamlessly into the rear design, giving the Model 3 a sleek, continuous look that feels futuristic yet classy. Overall, the rear end now feels more premium and less playful, showing how the Model 3 has evolved from a disruptor into a polished, well-rounded sedan. Interior. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 takes a noticeable step forward in quality and comfort. The minimalist design remains, but everything feels more solid and thoughtfully finished. Tesla has upgraded materials throughout the interior, with softer surfaces on the dashboard and door panels, improved seat padding, and tighter panel gaps. The large central touchscreen is still the heart of the cabin, but it's now faster, brighter, and more responsive thanks to updated hardware. The user interface feels smoother, with quicker animations and better organization, making daily use easier and less distracting. The seats have been redesigned for better long-distance comfort, offering improved support for your back and thighs. Tesla has also focused heavily on reducing cabin noise, using better insulation and acoustic glass to block out road and wind sounds. Subtle ambient lighting adds a premium atmosphere during night drives without feeling overdone. Rear passengers are treated better than before as well, with optimized legroom and a dedicated rear screen for climate controls and entertainment. Storage remains one of the Model 3's biggest strengths, with a spacious trunk, hidden underfloor compartments, and the front trunk providing extra practicality for everyday use. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 continues to prove why electric cars are so addictive to drive. Even the base rear-wheel drive model delivers instant torque, making city driving smooth, quiet, and surprisingly quick. The long-range version offers stronger highway performance and impressive range, making it ideal for daily commuting as well as long road trips. For those who want maximum excitement, the performance variant delivers explosive acceleration that can rival much more expensive sports cars. Suspension refinements improve ride comfort while keeping handling sharp, and the low center of gravity helps the car feel planted and stable through corners. Steering feels more precise and predictable, giving drivers more confidence whether cruising or pushing a bit harder. Efficiency and range are where the 2026 Model 3 truly shines. Thanks to improved battery chemistry and refined aerodynamics, Tesla has managed to extend real-world driving range even further. Charging is quicker and more consistent, with better thermal management allowing the battery to maintain optimal performance during fast charging. Tesla's Supercharger network remains a major advantage, offering reliable, fast charging that makes long-distance travel far less stressful compared to many competitors. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, keeping the Model 3 within reach for a wide audience. The base model is positioned as one of the most affordable premium electric sedans available, while the long-range version offers added value for buyers who prioritize distance and convenience. The performance model sits at the top, aimed at enthusiasts who want speed and excitement without stepping into supercar territory. While prices may vary depending on region and incentives, the overall value proposition remains extremely strong. So what's the final verdict on the 2026 Tesla Model 3? It doesn't try to reinvent itself, and that's exactly why it works. Tesla has focused on refinement, comfort, efficiency, and real-world usability. The result is a car that feels more complete, more polished, and more enjoyable to live with every day. With its updated design, improved interior, strong performance, and advanced technology, the Model 3 continues to be one of the best electric sedans you can buy. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 Tesla Model 3, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Trendz TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Would you choose the Model 3 over its rivals? Until next time, stay charged, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one. S-A-S!